We live in the virtual world with Google at our fingertips. Any kind of information is a fraction of a second away from the search tab. The Department of Journalism and Mass Communication, in collaboration with Google News Lab, organized a 2-day workshop. Resource person Ms. Geetika Rustagi provided insight into bridging the gap between the classroom and the professional newsroom. The first day started with the fundamentals of research, investigative, and data journalism.
I got to learn a lot about a lot of new tools that I wasn't even aware about, and which includes Google Earth and Google Spreadsheet, which is a lot easier to use than the Excel sheets. And also, being a travel blogger, I got to know that I can actually use Google Maps to put forth my ideas and the places which I've visited, so that it is a kind of new thing for my viewers to follow, and it's very interesting to learn and also to use.
The Google workshop by Geetika Rustagi was the first workshop I could attend within the 2 months of my master's degree course in Krista Jayanti College. Being a master's student of mass communication, I found the Google workshop to be very useful because of the fact that Geetika ma'am started very basically from the research tools to the mapping and sidling techniques.
The second day started with an interactive game on verification of authenticity of images. There was a much needed elaborate session on maintaining security online. Google tools like Sheets, Image Search, Translate, Trends, My Maps were also discussed.
The Google Classroom was indeed very interactive. The session was mainly focused on identifying fake news, photo and video verification, and security. Ms. Geetika helped us with two-step verification that is very much needed, especially on online platforms, social media.
Google has a well diversified platform that enables one to stay updated with its functionalities. Everybody depends on this dynamic platform for almost everything. The session focused on the various aspects such as identifying fake news, photo, video verification, along with security. This is Shatarapa Chaudhary reporting for KJC Television with camera person Anisa Lamare.
easy. And then the second day, what we got to learn was about the cyber security and how we are supposed to make our passwords a bit complex, because then it won't be that easy for anyone to hack. And also a lot of locks for our passwords, so that even if we create a complicated password, we can store it in a place, in a safe place or a lock, where actually our passwords will be secure enough. And we just have to remember the password to that safe or locker. So yeah, this Google workshop was very helpful, and really thankful to the department and the faculty to introduce us to such a workshop organized by Google.